Hello friends, I am Sambita. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw submarine. So let's get started. At first, draw a curved line like this. From this point, make another curved line opposite side and join. From here, make a bend line and up to down, draw a straight line and make another bend line and join. And now draw a circle and two oval like this. Go up and make a straight line and then join down. From here, another straight line and join. This point, make a curved line, then an oval and then another curved line, down, join. From here, make a straight line, draw a circle and another straight line up to down like this. From here, draw two lines like this. Make a line from here and join end. Now draw two circles for window and another circle inside like this. Now make another line like this. For water bubble, draw some circle. Draw some wave line for water wave, like this. Now draw some fishes here. At first draw a triangle and for the tail make another triangle like this. For eyes make a dot. Now draw some stones, underwater plants and coral like this. Now draw more fishes here. Our drawing is ready for coloring. For submarine body, I am using golden yellow. Now I am using light yellow. For shading, I am using light brown. For window, I am using sky blue. For the water bubbles, I am using deep blue. Now I am using ochre yellow, golden yellow, brown, now I am using green, light green, yellow, deep green and sap green. For fishes, I am using red and orange. For water wave, I am using deep blue. Now I am using light blue for water. Now I am doing shading with deep blue. At last I am using black for shading and outlining. For fish outlining, I am using marker pen. Now our drawing is ready. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Till then, stay creative, stay happy. Bye-bye.